Ladies and gentlemen, a very, very good evening to all of you. A very warm welcome. And that's not just to all our distinguished guests, but to our partners, our awardees, and everybody who's come here to witness what is actually a milestone moment for Sociofair. Primarily because from its birthplace, Kolkata, this is the first time we have come to Delhi to build an imprint in the national capital. Many of you are aware of Sociofair, you've been associated, but you know, for something that has been built with so much love, I take this opportunity also to talk to you a bit about our endeavor. Sociofair is a platform, and it's built on the belief that real change begins with real people. Today, we are here not just gathered for an event, we are here to celebrate purpose, we are here to celebrate compassion and the power of human connection. And I believe that each one of us sitting here today are connected in some way, not just to each other, but to this wonderful cause. Sociofair was envisioned as an initiative, and it's more than an initiative actually, it's a movement. A movement that recognizes and amplifies the voice of those who often work quietly, often away from the spotlight, and yet create profound impact. Because we believe that when grassroots change makers and social entrepreneurs and youth leaders and lifelong humanitarians get together, they do that not only for the applause, almost never for the applause, but for the impact. And Sociofair exists to bring their stories forward, and that is the endeavor that brings us here today. This initiative is deeply, deeply rooted in the vision of the Sabri Helpage, founded in 2013, which has been consistently working towards elderly care, mental health, and girl-child education and hygiene, building a foundation of compassion and service that Sociofair carries forward. In a world where recognition often follows visibility, like I said, and many do it for the applause and many don't, but we choose to celebrate not the visibility alone, but the value. We honor people who serve for impact, those who build communities, those who uplift lives, and those who stand resilient in the face of challenges, because the path of caring for those in need is not always easy. Through Sociofair, we aim to inspire a culture where empathy is strength, where service is leadership, and change is a shared responsibility. It is a space where ideas meet action and where every story has the potential to ignite another one. As we move ahead today, I invite each one of you to not just witness these journeys, as you will see, of the awardees tonight, but to connect with them, to learn from them, and to carry forward the spirit that they represent here today. Because in the end, Sociofair is not just about recognizing change, it is becoming a part of it. And thank you so much to each one of you who decided tonight that you're going to be part of that change. To begin the evening on an auspicious note, and which is what we do in our Indian culture, I request Ms. Aarti B.R. Singh, I request our President, Mona Lisa Mukherjee, and I request our esteemed guests to come up on stage to light the ceremonial lamp. It symbolizes the light of knowledge, hope, and positive change. I request both of you to come up on stage.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Let us all join in the spirit of this lamp lighting. Let us all wish that this evening is going to be memorable and an evening that will connect all of us for the years to come.
Tasmai Shri Gurave.
Thank you so much. As you saw, it was a moment of women empowerment. We had some wonderful women come up on stage and start the proceedings of this beautiful evening. Guru Vandana, we paid our homage to our Guru, and now is the time for us to witness a beautiful dance performance of Ganesh Vandana. कुछ शुभ होता है तो हम गणेश जी की आराधना से शुरू करते हैं, और मैं आमंत्रण करूंगी हमारे डांसर्स को कि वो आए और गणेश वंदना पेश करें हम सबके सामने।
सर्वांगी सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके मान मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव।
लंबोदर तू विनायका तू अल्लोणेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एक दंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया।
रिद्धि सिद्धि वृद्धि होती हाँ तेरे ही आने से, और सुंदर ये सृष्टि होती हाँ तेरे ही आने से। मोरया मोरया
ये अंधेरे कोने में जो दानव छुपा है मोरया, उसमें ही जय हो तो दिग्विजय हो तेरी तरह मोरया। लाख कोई दे हुंकार
That is the thing about Bappa, isn't it? No matter how many times there is a Ganesh Vandana performance, it always feels like, the most mesmerizing thing. With that, I move on to what I would like to call the more formal part of our evening. I would like to invite on stage Mrs. Aarti B.R. Singh, the founder of Sociofair. Ma'am, your presence to felicitate our guest of honors. The floral tribute seems to be taking a bit of time clear out, but that's the thing about flowers. They always look beautiful no matter in what state. A huge round of applause then for the real life heroes who are already here. Fantastic. And this is the Josh that keeps Sociofair alive. Now you know what it is and who it is that keeps this journey going. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. And now it's my pleasure and privilege to invite on stage Preetha Sen. She's a development consultant and food historian. Preetha, ma'am, I request you to please come up on stage. She's our guest of honor. In fact, it's my absolute privilege, and as we go through this, you will know, so many women, and some men, of course, who have contributed in their way, to nation building, to doing things that have really made an impact. And first in that row of our guest of honors is Preetha Sen, a development consultant and food historian. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here today, for supporting us. And I request our friends to bring up our little token of appreciation. Thank you for your presence, ma'am, for being part of the journey today.
I would just quickly take up 2 minutes of your time. It's an honor to be here today because in a world, that is fast losing a very crucial element called empathy, to be here among those who are committed to empathy and in helping humanity, my salute to them. So I bow to all the heroes here and to Aarti, who is doing such sterling work. I just wanted to say this. Thank you.
Next up, I invite somebody very dear to me, Mahua Chatterjee. She's a journalist, and she's been a journalist with the Times of India for many, many years, and a political journalist with social impact. And now she's consulting with NDTV. Women Who Bring the News to You is among the newsmakers today. And thank you, Mahuadi, for making it here today. It's a wonderful, wonderful feeling to see you here on stage. This time, probably to share the journey with newsmakers while having made news yourself throughout. Thank you so much. After we have, and this evening is also a little about women empowerment, and Aarti will agree with me on that. So after two of our guests of honors, who are women, it is my absolute pleasure to call on stage Colonel Hitendra Yadav. He served in the Indian Army for more than 20 years, and once, like they say, once a soldier, always a soldier. Salute to you, sir. Thank you for the service. Thank you for making awards like this, evenings like these happen, because it is because of the contribution of the armed forces at the borders that we continue to live lives that are beautiful, that we are able to create any impact at all is only because of people like you. Thank you so much for joining us here today and making this evening truly special for each one of us. Next up, I invite on stage Sanjeet Panwar. He's been, again, a man from the forces. Sir has been a former Indian Air Force aircraft man and now serves in the BSF. Thank you so much, sir, for being here today. And I continue to say the same thing that I said for Colonel Yadav. Thank you for your contribution to the nation. Thank you for doing the job that you do so that we can do the jobs that we do. Thank you so much for your presence today. It indeed motivates us. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It's never enough to say thank you to our men in uniform for their service, for their presence, for being there. Thank you so much, sir. Please stay on stage. We'll all have a group photo together. And next up, I invite Verleen Panwar. Verleen, if you're here. Yes, and this is going to be interesting because she is an ex-Lady Defense person herself. Ma'am, my apologies. I should have told your rank. But Squadron Leader Verleen Panwar, thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. And the interesting thing is, she's now associated with Bollywood, I'm told. You consult for films. So for us to know the real things about the army, and it is portrayed the way it should be portrayed, thank you to you, Verleen Panwar. And now I invite on stage Aditi Jain. Aditi ma'am, I invite you to join us. She's an educationist, and anybody who plays a role in shaping young minds has a huge task, has a huge role to play in nation building, because it is those young minds that become the brains that move the country in the years to come. And for your contribution, we thank you, ma'am. We thank each one of you for your contribution towards nation building, towards creating impact, towards being the people that you are. And now there's a group photo. Big smiles. One cheer, because I can see a video, can we just say, cheers to Sociofair, cheers to Sociofair, cheers to Sociofair. And like Ma'am Preetha Sen said very, very correctly, I think it's platforms like this that still keeps empathy alive. Thank you so much. But before I let them go, I just want, if any one of you would like to say something, I'd love to hear it from you. I think both the ladies are keen. Ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Squadron Leader Verleen Panwar. And, just one thing that I can remember when I'm here. When we are given training for armed forces in the academy, which was around 18 years ago for me, I remember the one thing that was taught to us was that always keep nation and people first, right? And when I attend functions like this, where people are working relentlessly for social service, it makes me realize that not all soldiers or, not all people who are defending the nation wear uniform. But most of them come in different forms. You don't have to wear uniform. You don't have to be of certain age. You don't have to be standing on border to protect your nation, right? But you can come in any form and add value to the nation. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Aditi Jain. So I agree with Verleen, like you come in various forms, and this is one form. And while we celebrate you, the change makers here, I would also like to appreciate the vision of Socioform, especially Aarti, because while the world is celebrating speed and scale, it's refreshing to see platforms like Socioform celebrate impact, integrity, and intent. And I think so while we will be celebrating your, stories, it is nice, it's very refreshing to see that the kind of impact you're creating, we need people like change makers like you who are willing to get on the grounds, get their feet mucky and create that impact. Because change does not happen in boardrooms. It happens on grounds. It happens in communities. It happens in your purpose, in your intended, when you decided to act, when you decided to choose your purpose over the comforts of your drawing rooms. So thank you so much for helping us. And one thing, while being at the intersect of education, skilling, and CSR and social impact, I've worked in that domain in CSR and social impact for 10 years. I think so one thing which I've learned is real transformation happens when intent gets changed, transformed into action, when policies gets translated into practices, and when that idea reaches the last mile. So here's to you, all the change makers. Thank you for bringing that into our lives. And thank you, Aarti, and the incredible team of Social Forms for doing this. Thank you.
It is now my absolute pleasure to invite on stage somebody very dear to all of us, somebody who's been in the thick of all of it, and whose guidance, vision, I think, has made today's evening possible. Our president, Mrs. Mona Lisa Mukherjee. I invite her up on stage and she's quietly been sitting there, seeing the entire program. Other than the lamp lighting, Mona Di, we really haven't had you. And I know you don't like the limelight too much, but because she's the one behind the camera, and I'll tell you more about it. But with a huge round of applause, let's invite our president, Mrs. Mona Lisa Mukherjee, on stage. Mona Lisa Mukherjee is a poet, she's a writer, she's a producer, director, and production designer, and the founder of the advertising production house Little Lamp Films in Mumbai. She's a national award-winning filmmaker. She has also served in the juries of prestigious platforms, including the National Film Award, Shorts and DD and DA. Her healing journey, and this is the interesting part, began in 2014, and today she practices multiple healing modalities, guiding both humans and animals with the same empathy and care. So now you know where and how she connects with Sociofair and what makes her such an integral part of us. Along with her husband, Bodhayan Mukherjee, she runs Little Lamp Films in Mumbai and continues to create work that inspires and uplifts. And even in everyday parlance, Mona Di has this great capacity to inspire and uplift. She always has solutions. And so Mona Di, I invite you today in front of all our awardees, our guests, our dignitaries, to please share your thoughts.
That was too much of a limelight for someone who has always been behind the camera. 1 साल or maybe 2-3 साल का कोटा आज खत्म हुआ. नमस्कार. मैंने थोड़ा लिख लिया है क्योंकि बहुत कुछ हो रहा है और फिर भूल जाती हूँ. नमस्कार, आदाब, गुड इवनिंग और ईद मुबारक. सोशियोफेयर की स्वर्णिम संध्या में आप सबका स्वागत है. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. जब देश के और देशवासियों के प्रति मन में अगाध प्रेम हो, तभी ऐसी पंक्तियाँ उभरती हैं. और समाज सेवा तभी हो सकती है जब ये प्रेम बिल्कुल अंतःकरण से निकले, डीप रूटेड हो. सोशियोफेयर की ये चेष्टा रही है कि समाज के ऐसे प्रेमियों को जो अपना आपा खोकर, अपना सब कुछ न्यौछावर कर समाज सेवा के प्रति समर्पित हैं, ढूंढ कर निकाले और समाज के सामने प्रस्तुत करे, जिससे समाज प्रेरित हो, युवा पीढ़ी आगे बढ़े और प्रेम की क्षमा यूं ही जलती रहे. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए रे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तोय, मन अभिमान न आने रे. आज आपका परिचय ऐसे कई परोपकारियों से होगा जिनके दिलों में प्यार है, आँखों में उस प्यार की चमक है, और जो इसी भाव से समाज सेवा करते आ रहे हैं. हमारे सैलानी, हमारे चेंज मेकर्स. आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं और उन सबको आज सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much. I call her Mona Di, but actually thank you so much, Mona Lisa Mukherjee, for your words of kindness, which I think comes naturally to you. Therefore, I don't really feel you should have written that, but since you have, you have. They say that, any great work, any work for that matter, nobody can do it alone. And you definitely cannot do it without the support of like-minded people, people who will be with you, stand with you, want you to move forward while they stay firmly in the background, supporting your journey. One such person in the journey of Sociofair has been Mr. Rahul Jain. It is my great privilege to invite him on stage. He's the Managing Director of Paraflex Wires and Cables. And I also take this opportunity to invite Mr. Dev Gupta. He's the Managing Director of Sabri Group. Can I have both gentlemen on stage? A huge round of applause for Rahul Jain, Managing Director of Paraflex Wires and Cables. Sir, your constant support to Sociofair has been a matter of great honor, a matter of great encouragement for all of us here in the team. Thank you so much for believing in Sociofair. Thank you so much for believing in the journeys of people who wanted to make a difference. And I request Mr. Dev Gupta, Managing Director of the Sabri Group, to felicitate Mr. Rahul Jain. It is but a very small token of our appreciation and our recognition for his constant support and contribution. Sir, had it not been for you, had it not been for your interest, your intent, and your constant support, maybe this journey would not have been as easy or as happy as it is today. Thank you so much for making it here, for being part of today's program and being here to inspire everybody who's an inspiration for us, all our awardees. Thank you so much. So I'd request you to say a few words.
मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, जय हिंद, कि हमें सोशल करने से एक बहुत अच्छा फील होता है पर्सनली, और हमें करते रहना चाहिए ये चीज़ें, और इससे हमें अपने आप अपने लिए अंदर से एक अच्छा लगता है, तो इसीलिए हम लोग इस चीज़ को करते रहते हैं. प्लीज़, थैंक यू.
Indeed, when you do things for yourself, you feel happy, but when you do things for others, you feel happier. I think all of us have experienced that sometime or the other in our life, even if it is for one moment. So with that, we move forward, and there's been quite a bit of on-stage activity. We'll continue that on-stage activity, but in a very different way. We have a very talented set of dancers with us today, the Black Diamond Dance Crew from Delhi. And they have put together something that's going to possibly, move the heart a little bit, because it is about the girl child, it is about opportunities, it is about chances, it is about hope. So let's watch this wonderful little act that they've prepared for us.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं बुन आऊंगी. हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी. कि जिंदगी
you so much for that lovely performance. Now, for what we are all here for today, for what we've all been waiting for, to meet those change makers, to meet the people who've made that real impact on ground. We'll start with the first set of awards, and our first recognition goes to a name itself that's so endearing and the people so endearing. चाचा चाची चंद्रा धाबा, आप लोग स्टेज पे आइए, पर मैं अनुरोध करूंगी कि उनका जो वीडियो है वो पहले एक वीडियो के द्वारा आप लोग बैठिए, एक वीडियो के द्वारा पहले हम आपका काम देख लेते हैं।
दोस्तों, मनाली से लगभग 90 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर एक जगह है जिसका नाम बालटाल, जो कि काजा वाले रोड पर पड़ता है, कुंजुम पास के पास। यहाँ पर दोरजे नाम के व्यक्ति, जिनको हम चाचा बुलाते हैं, वे अपनी पत्नी के साथ करीब 25 साल से यहाँ पे ढाबा चला रहे हैं। और वो कितने ही लोगों को यहाँ पर फंसे चंद ताल में लोगों के फंसने पर अपनी ढाबे में जो है उन्होंने शरण दी। जो भी उनके ढाबे में खाने के लिए था वो उन्होंने उनको प्रोवाइड कराया। कई लोग तो आंधी तूफान में भी फंसे थे, उनको बचाया, और साथ ही साथ उनको जान बचाने के लिए राष्ट्रपति अवार्ड से भी इनको नवाजा गया है।
बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। मैं आप दोनों से निवेदन करती हूँ, व्हाट ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, चाचा चाची के ढाबे से आप दोनों, दोरजे साहब और उनके धर्मपत्नी, आप स्टेज पे आए और हमारा मान बढ़ाए। मनाली से यहाँ तक सोशियो फेयर के स्टेज में huge round of applause for these two wonderful people. And now I invite on stage Mr. Rahul Jain and Mr. Dev Gupta. Please come up again so that you can give away the award to these two wonderful people. Huge round of applause. तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट रुकनी नहीं चाहिए। और अभी आपको पता है कि कभी आप उस एरिया में कभी फंस गए, you know where to go. You know that these are the two people who've saved and helped thousands and thousands of visitors. Atiti Deva Bhava. That the guest is God, and they've actually lived up to that, ensuring that everybody is taken care of, even when the times are very, very tough. And it really does not matter how little or how more you have, it matters how big your heart is. Thank you so much. पर मैं चाहूँगी कि स्टेज से जाने से पहले कुछ शब्द हमारे यहाँ के सब।
बहुत खुशी हुआ जी ये इनाम मिलकर। हम मनाली से कल रात को पहुँचा और रात को यहीं पहुँचा, अब सब अभी इनाम में दे दिया। बहुत खुशी हुई जी हमको। अभी तक हम सेवा करते रहेगा, लोग फंस गए तो हम वही कर सकते हैं।
Our next recipient, Mr. Mahesh Yadav of Jadav, I correct myself, Mr. Mahesh Jadav from Karnataka of the Mahesh Foundation. But before I invite him on stage, I'd request you to please play his video so that we know of the work that he has done.
Myself, Mahesh Jadav, I am a founder of Mahesh Foundation. 18 years ago, we met children who had lost almost everything. Their parents, their homes, and even their hope. They were not only struggling with poverty, they were carrying the pain of stigma and rejection. That was the moment our journey began. Through Asha Kiran Care Home, we supported children affected by HIV/AIDS by providing medical care, nutrition, food, education, and a safe family environment. Over 4,900 children have found hope and a new beginning with us. Believing education creates lasting change, we expanded through Utkarsha School and Aadhar Vidya, supporting 72,000 underprivileged children, including 1,090 first generation learners. We have also stood beside 90,000 HIV affected families and reached over 10,50,000 young minds with awareness and compassion. Through My Blood Charitable Blood Center, our mobile clinic, women empowerment initiatives, and the mobile computer lab, we continue to bring healthcare, dignity, skills, and digital access to those who need it most. Together, we are building a future where every needy person is given not just help, but opportunity, respect, and the chance to live with the dignity and hope.
Thank you so much. And to give away the award, I'd like to invite on stage once again Mr. Sanjeet Panwar and Mr. Sanjay Kumar. He's the director of Seven Food Processing Limited and a champion of organic farming in the Northeast. I invite both of you to please come up on stage. The Mahesh Foundation has been working for 18 years to uplift HIV positive and underprivileged children through care, education, and community support. Its care homes have impacted over 4,900 children, while its outreach program have supported more than 90,000 HIV-affected families and reached 10.5 lakh students through awareness initiatives. The foundation has also helped 72,000 children to continue their education. And all this has been founded by none other than Mr. Mahesh Jadhav, the man himself, who's here on stage with us today. And the organization is committed to eliminating stigma around HIV/AIDS and empowering medically challenged children to live a full life. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this great contribution. Thank you for making, people who are who possibly don't consider themselves part of the mainstream any longer. Maybe we don't have that mindset to accept them, to be with them, to be their strength. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you and many congratulations and huge, huge round of applause for Mr. Mahesh Jadhav. Next up is the People's Vigilance Committee on Human Rights, and representing them will be Dr. Lelin Raghuvanshi from Varanasi, UP. But before he comes up on stage, let's have a quick glimpse of their path-breaking work.
PV-4 और जन्मित न्यास समुदाय के साथ बाल हितैषी मुद्दे पर बैठक कर रहे हैं। चाइल्ड राइट एंड यू के साथ मिलकर हम 50 गांव के अति वंचित समुदाय के बच्चों के अधिकारों के संरक्षण और संवर्धन का काम कर रहे हैं। जन्मित न्यास के इस इनिशिएटिव से PV-4 से अब तक हमने 3 लाख पीड़ितों को 280 करोड़ मुआवजा दिलाकर कानून का राज स्थापित करने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा रहे हैं और 250 गांव में यातना और बंधुआ मजदूरी से मुक्त कराकर समुदाय को आत्मसम्मान से जीवन जीने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया है। और हमें गर्व है कि PV-4 जन्मित न्यास के संस्थापक डॉक्टर लेनिन और श्रुति नागवंशी के नेतृत्व में सैकड़ों कार्यकर्ता विकसित भारत के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। विकास योजना बनाओ की बात करें तो ग्राम पंचायत विकास योजना में हमने जो देखा था कि हमारे गांव में सबसे पहले देखा था कि हमने के बच्चों के का दिक्कत हमने के बच्चों की दिक्कत को देख के तब हमने को प्लान बनाया था और वो प्लान हमने के कहाँ लेके जाए थे ग्राम प्रधान के पास और ग्राम प्रधान से मिल करके जो साल भर का कार्य योजना की जोड़ा उन्हें ठीक करा दे तो उन्हें सब लेने का काम तो हर अपन भी समस्या का समाधान है और प्लस बच्चा जो है उनके भी समस्या का समाधान है तो हम लोग एक प्लान बनवाना ठीक है।
May I please call upon stage Dr. Lelin Raghuvanshi. Sir, it is our absolute privilege to have you here today. And to give away the award to him, let me invite Ms. Mahua Chatterjee and Mona Lisa Mukherjee. Mona Lisa Di, I request you to please come up on stage. Lelin Raghuvanshi, thank you, sir, for being here. He's a prominent social activist from Varanasi dedicated to advancing human dignity, social justice, and community empowerment, the kind that we just saw in the video. In 1996, he co-founded the People's Vigilance Committee on Human Rights, a grassroots movement focused on protecting the rights and dignity of marginalized and vulnerable communities. To those we probably think less about, he thought a lot. In 1999, he established Jan Mitra Nyas with the aim of promoting education, eliminating child labor, and building people-centric community structures through participatory developmental models, community engagement, and sustained capacity building initiatives. His work empowers Dalits, women, and children to assert their rights and strengthen democratic participation. Thank you so much, sir, and a huge round of applause once again, because for people, you know, who are marginalized, who feel that there is nobody who hears their voice, who feel that there's nobody to stand for them, Dr. Lelin Raghuvanshi has stood like their flag bearer, like their beacon, like their light. Thank you so much, sir, for being here today. Our next recognition is for Dr. Raman Kishore. But before I invite him, I invite our technical crew to please play the video of Dr. Raman Kishore.
मेरे डॉक्टर रमन किशोर से जिन्हें लोग गांव के डॉक्टर के नाम से जानते हैं। पिछले 5 सालों में वो 36,000 से ज्यादा लोगों की फ्री में जांच और इलाज।
पिता के बेटे डॉक्टर रमन बिहार के दरभंगा जिले के एक छोटे से गांव बहुअरवा के रहने वाले हैं।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रमन किशोर है। लोग मुझे गांव के डॉक्टर के नाम से भी बुलाते हैं। पिछले 6 साल में हमने ग्रामीण स्वास्थ्य शिविर के जरिए लगभग 50,000 लोगों का निःशुल्क स्वास्थ्य जांच एवं उपचार किया है और ग्रामीण स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्था को बहुत करीब से देखा है। लेट डायग्नोसिस की वजह से मेरी मम्मी एक्सपायर की थी और वहाँ ये लगा था कि मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो लेट डायग्नोसिस की वजह से सफ़र करते हैं उनके और इसी सोच के साथ मैं 6 साल पहले ये मुहिम शुरू किया था। और मैं एक सरकारी डॉक्टर हूँ जो छुट्टियाँ और रविवार के दिन मैं सुदूर देहात गोवा में जाता हूँ। वैसे गाँव को प्रीफर करता हूँ जहाँ पे स्वास्थ्य सुविधाएँ नहीं हैं और लोगों को स्वास्थ्य जांच के लिए मोटिवेट करता हूँ। उन्हें समझाता हूँ कि कैसे जीवन शैली और खान पान में सुधार करके बीमारी को रोका, अर्ली स्टेज में रोका जा सकता है। क्रोनिक डिजीज जैसे डायबिटीज, हाइपरटेंशन के लिए नियमित दवा खाना, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ करना, खान पान में परहेज करना, इसके बारे में भी लोगों को समझाता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
With a huge round of applause, we invite on stage Dr. Raman Kishore. For a young person like him to think of community first and to think that he needs to be there for the people who cannot afford their own medical care. What a wonderful, wonderful thought. And to give away the award, I would like to invite on stage Ms. Aditi Jain. Ma'am, I invite you on stage, and I invite again Mr. Sanjay Kumar, Director of 7 Foods Processing Limited. Sir, please join us here on stage. Aditi ma'am, please join us, because why this is so critical is because medical facilities is something that because of our huge nation, getting medical facility, the right kind, is sometimes so difficult in the deepest corners of our country. And for a young person like Dr. Raman Kishore to take this forward is so fascinating. Dr. Raman Kishore, as we saw, is a dedicated medical professional known for his extensive service to the underdeserved communities. Over the course of his career, he's treated more than 45,000 patients, many of whom lacked access to consistent and affordable healthcare. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. And Sanjay sir wants to say something. Sir, please go ahead.
हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मेरी छोटी बहन, जिसको मैं हमेशा बहुत छोटा समझता था, आज उसकी ये सारी चीज़ों को देख करके अब हमें लग रहा है कि बहुत बड़ी हो गई है। आज हमारे पापा मम्मी नहीं हैं यहाँ पे। हमारी छोटी बहन आरती, जिसको हम लोग अपने घर में पुतुल बुलाते हैं, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है। हम बड़ा भावुक हो रहे हैं। आई एम गेटिंग वेरी इमोशनल माई लिटिल सिस्टर, आज भी उसको हम बच्चा ही समझते हैं और उसकी सारी दोस्तों से मिले बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है।
What a moment.
I never
What a
imagined-
moment.
See,
What a moment.
बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब हमेशा हमारा आशीर्वाद है। ऑल द बेस्ट, हमेशा आगे बढ़ो।
What a moment. I think this is the biggest award that Aarti could have gotten. इस बात पे हो जाए एक hip hip hooray to the family moment. The family moment of Social Fair. Hip hip hooray. 3 cheers to Aarti, 3 cheers to Sanjay sir for a brother and a sister standing together doing something, of so much worth, Aarti, and to get that appreciation from home. I think that's a moment of the greatest pride. That's the biggest award. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir, for being here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Kishore, for being here. I would like to announce the award of Mr. Tarun Kumar, but again, as is protocol, before we invite him, let's catch a glimpse of his work.
मेरा नाम तरुण कुमार है। मैं जमशेदपुर में रहता हूँ और मैंने मास्टर्स ऑफ सोशल वर्क की पढ़ाई की है। 10-12 सालों से झारखंड के अलग अलग इलाकों में, अलग अलग जिलों में, अलग अलग गाँवों में जाकर के बच्चों से मिलता रहा हूँ। उन्हें एजुकेशन के प्रति और विभिन्न सामाजिक कुरीतियाँ हैं, जैसे बाल विवाह को खत्म करना है, बाल मजदूरी नहीं करना है और शिक्षा को कुछ भी हो जाए, हमें एजुकेशन को कंटिन्यू करना है। इसलिए 12-13 सालों में हमने जो सामाजिक अभियान, सामाजिक भागीदारी से हम लोग चला रहे हैं, उससे हम लोगों ने कई जमीनी बदलावों को महसूस किया है जो हमें काफी सुकून देते हैं। अब कई बच्चियां जो बाल विवाह के चंगुल में फंस जाती, वो भी पढ़ाई को कंटिन्यू कर रही हैं और जागरूकता के बातों को अपने गाँव में अन्य बच्चों को भी और युवाओं को बताती हैं।
Wonderful. Huge, huge round of applause for Mr. Tarun Kumar. Sir, please come up on stage. I also take this opportunity to invite on stage Ms. Pritha Sen and Ritvik Raj Singh to give away the awards. Nishchay Foundation is what Tarun sir started. I'm calling him Tarun sir because I truly feel that to be able to do so much for the young girl children of our marginalized areas is indeed a matter of great, great, great pride. The Nishchay Foundation is a grassroots social service organization working across Jharkhand to address critical issues related to health, hygiene, education, environment, and rural development. Established in 2017 by Tarun Kumar, the foundation focuses primarily on children, women, and youth living in remote and underdeserved villages with the aim of building an equitable and sustainable society. Thank you so much, sir, Tarun sir. आप जैसे सोचने वाले लोग हमारे देश में और हो जाए तो शायद कुछ और बच्चों का, कुछ और युवाओं को बड़ा support मिल जाए, sir. Thank you so much for your work. Thank you for being part of Socio Fair today. Great. So like I said, this was the last award, but I've promised it's not the last award of the evening. But for all the awardees, can we have one huge round of applause and say hip hip hooray for the work that they've done, for what they've made, the impact that they have created, for the people they've touched, the lives that they've changed. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here today to witness this wonderful evening. And before we move on to our next set of awards, we thought it would be nice to take a little cultural break. The joy of freedom, the joy of youth, to be able to do what we want to do, to be able to live a life that we truly desire and deserve. The next act coming up probably brings that together. Let's watch it.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, आना कहाँ था ये जो हो गया। चुटकी कोई काटूला है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में। बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये गाँव है। बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये गाँव है। चल पड़ी है हम सफर।
कुछ एनर्जी डाल के गए कि नहीं? Let's then clap for them. If for nothing, for that, I don't know what it's called, but that whirl on the stage, it was so fantastic. When young people try to channelize the energy through things like culture, sport, it's just so nice. With that, like promised, we are back to our next set of awards. And the first recipient in, like I'm saying, the second set, and I've been told not to say last award. But it's not. Like I said, I promised that we'll be back with more, because there are so many voices, so many people, so much to recognize, so much to thank. And with that, the next set of awards, our first recognition goes to Guria Foundation. I request my technical team to kindly play the video. Fantastic. Since this was a video without words, but the picture spoke more than that, I invite on stage, on behalf of Guria Foundation, Ajit Singh from Uttar Pradesh, sir. I welcome you today to join us. And I also invite Colonel Hitinder Yadav to join us here to give away the award with Mr. Sanjay Kumar, Director of Seven Foods. Can I have Ajit Singh here, or anybody from the Guria Foundation? I have a feeling he may have stepped out. So we'll continue with the second award in that case, in the interest of time. And let me tell you that, you know, after the awards, there's going to be a very, very interesting segment of a mentalist, okay? And the mentalist, as you know, is a mind reader and expects some great magic. And also along with that, we have a band for each one of you, because what is a Saturday night without a band? So we go on to the next award for Sanskriti Singh. He's here? Okay. Welcome, sir, and a huge round of applause for Mr. Ajit Singh. Sir, आपका स्वागत है. हमने आपका काम देखा. We really, really appreciate what you have done. And I now invite Colonel Hitendra Yadav, sir. Thank you for being here. Sanjay, sir, please join us on stage to give away the award. The Guria Foundation has been fighting sex trafficking and such a sensitive area of work because the Guria Foundation has been fighting sex trafficking and sexual exploitation since 1988 when Ajit Singh began the movement by adopting 3 children from a red light area. Through a holistic model of rescue, education, legal intervention, he's kept that work going. Thank you so much, sir, for being there for those that probably need it the most. Thank you so much. And with that, we move to our next award. Our next award goes to Deepalaya. Let's watch their work first, and then I'll invite Dr. K.C. George on behalf of Deepalaya. But first, let's watch the video.
काम हो अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो काम हो अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो हम अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो दूसरों के दर्द में जो ढूंढे अपने दर्द को रब भी देता है दुआएं ऐसे उस हमदर्द को दूसरों के
Deepalaya, it's an ISO 9001-2015 certified non-governmental organization established in 1979, committed to empowering marginalized communities across India. Guided by the vision of an inclusive and equitable society, its mission is to promote dignity and self-reliance through education, empowerment, and sustainable development. Deepalaya works in domains including education, women empowerment, community health, institutional care, skilling, and support for children with disabilities. It also has 2 CBSE-affiliated schools, special education and learning centers, vocational training, livelihood programs, the Jai Jawan Raksha Academy, and Vision Care Services in collaboration with AIMS Delhi, operating across 14 states. Deepalaya has an impact on over 2.5 crore lives till date. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir, for being here today, Dr. K.C. George and ma'am. And may I invite once again Preetha Sen and Dev Gupta to please come up on stage to do the honors. Rehni chahiye 2.5 crore lives in a multitude of work areas, whether it's education, whether it is support to children who are differently abled, whether it is women empowerment. Deepalaya has indeed, like the name suggests, Deeper Aloy, as we say in Bengali, it is where the light resides. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir, for making this wonderful, wonderful effort, for making this initiative that I'm sure has been a start for many youngsters whose lives may have been otherwise had it not been for you. Thank you so much. Thank you for being part of Social Fair today. Thank you so much, sir. And now I would like to, the next award goes to Sanskriti Singh, but first the video, and then we'll invite him. You know, India is the youngest nation in the world now, and when a youngster decides to take upon herself the role of changing how the country is going to think, it indeed becomes a very, 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 very special moment. Sanskriti Singh is a committed youth leader, recognized for her substantive contribution to grassroots social transformation and youth engagement. A first-class graduate from the University of Delhi and currently pursuing her master's degree at Jamia Hamdard, she combines academic excellence and sustained civic commitment. She represented youth leadership at the Asia Pacific Youth Leadership Platform in Kuala Lumpur and was selected among the top 15 delegates at the first India-Russia Youth Meet, contributing to dialogues on democratic participation, cooperation, and youth-driven policy innovation. Her work focuses on women's empowerment, gender justice, and children's education through institutional initiatives, community outreach, and advocacy. A national level debater and articulate public speaker, Sanskriti is known for her analytical clarity, persuasive expression, and reform-oriented vision, positioning her as a strong emerging voice in the contemporary civic and policy discourse. Many, many congratulations, Sanskriti. Any friends out there? Okay, so after the award, you must all come up on stage for that one little family photograph. Okay, but to... Well, very, very hip hip hooray and very, very well done. And to give away the award, I invite on stage Varleen Panwar, Miss Varleen Panwar and Rahul Jain. Please come up on stage to give away the award, to do the honors. And I think for a girl as young as Sanskriti to take the award from squadron leader who has really been in the forefront, and Rahul Jain sir is going to be wonderful. It's going to be wonderful. Huge round of applause, because unless the young people in India really start making the change, we can't change. The change has to begin with them, and what an honor it is for Sociofair to be able to. And yes, I invite the family. Please stay on stage, ma'am. I invite the family. Thoda sa music ho jaye. Let's have a little bit of, moment of celebration. A little bit of a thing together. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here, for being the change, for making that endeavor for young people. To make a difference is what makes a difference to the country. It is now my great honor to invite on stage, but before I do that, like I said, we'll first play the video. But our next awardee is Shivos. Let's see what they do.
I am Dr. G.P. Bhagat, founder and chairman, Sant Hardayal Educational and Orphans Welfare Society, as well as Guru Mitra. I founded Sant Hardayal Educational and Orphans Welfare Society. The main aim was to serve the society, the needy people. In year 2000, in Delhi NCR, I found many people were dying on the street. They were abandoned, homeless. In 2003, I started old age home called Guru Visram Vridhashram for such people, and we started rescuing these people from the roadside. They were all suffering from dementia, Alzheimer, psychiatric problems, as well as paralyzed, fractured. Currently, we are running 3 old age homes. 2 are in Delhi. One is in Gautampuri, Sarta, Bihar. Another is in Abul Fazal Enclave, Okhla. This is the biggest home in Delhi. It's a very beautiful home. And our third one home is in Uttar Pradesh, that is near Hapur, Gadmukteshwar. It is the one of the best and beautiful home for abandoned and destitute elderly suffering from mental and physical disabilities. In our old age home, we have path lab, we have physiotherapy center, digital x-ray, dialysis center, and OT at Gadmukteshwar. In Gadmukteshwar, we also have a cow shelter, all the organic farmings, etc. Both the homes are very close to the nature. Our elderly, they enjoy a lot. We always try to bring a smile on their faces.
I invite from Saint Hardayal Education Orphans Welfare Society Shios, Dr. Girdhar Prasad Bhagwat. And I also invite on stage Ms. Mahua Chatterjee and Mona Lisa Mukherjee. Please come and give away the awards. SHIOS is an international humanitarian organization registered in India and the USA with its offices in various parts of the world, and it operates 3 old age homes like we saw in the video, dedicated to provide shelter, dignity and lifelong care to homeless and destitute elderly individuals. Indeed, what an evening this is from change makers who are making a difference to little toddlers, youngsters, skilling, to the elderly. As you can see, SocioFair has been able to honor people who have been impacting various aspects of life. The final award in this category goes to Chao. And I will invite on stage Mr. Alok Dikshit, but let's watch the video first.
मेरा नाम आलोक दीक्षित है और मैं छाव फाउंडेशन का डायरेक्टर हूँ। छाव का मतलब होता है शेड, जहाँ पे किसी को शेड मिले, एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ ताज़ी ठंडी हवा मिले और आपको अच्छा लगे, तो छाव उसको सिंबलाइज करता है। छाव फाउंडेशन की जर्नी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है। हम लोगों ने एसिड अटैक के विषय पे जागरूकता से इसकी शुरुआत की।
मतलब जब मैं छाव में आई थी तो मैंने छाव में जब आगरा वाला सबसे पहले कैफे ओपन हुआ था तो वहाँ पे मेरा था बुटीक और वहाँ पे हम लोग अपने ड्रेसेस वगैरह बना के सेल भी करते थे।
कंप्यूटर इंग्लिश ट्रेनिंग भी कर रही हूँ और मैं इंग्लिश क्लास करते हुए मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला था स्पेन विजिट करने का, तो मैंने 2023 में मैंने स्पेन भी गई।
2 महीनों के अंदर ही कैंपेन को काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिला। हम लोगों से सर्वाइवर्स जुड़ते चले गए, तो हम लोगों ने देश भर में अलग अलग जगहों पर जाके कैंपेन किया, बात की इस बारे में। फिर हमने 2014 से एक संस्था की तरह काम करना शुरू किया। सिर्फ विरोध कर पाते थे, आज हम कंस्ट्रक्टिवली कुछ कर पाते हैं। आज हम सभी सर्वाइवर्स का ट्रीटमेंट करा रहे हैं। पिछले सालों में तमाम ट्रीटमेंट से लेके एम्प्लॉयमेंट जैसे जो इनिशिएटिव है उसको कॉर्पोरेट पार्टनरशिप से किया जा रहा है, और इस सिलसिले में गौरव गुप्ता जी के साथ इस साल हम लोग जुड़े हैं। इस टीम से हमारी बात हुई और हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कि उनके ड्रीम्स पे काम करें। वो जो भी कर रहे हैं उसमें हम जहाँ जहाँ हेल्प कर सकते हैं, इस कॉर्पोरेट पार्टनरशिप के जरिए हम लोग ये हेल्प जुटाएंगे।
And we have been joined here by 2 team members of Chao, Rupa and Jaya. And Alok sir just came up and said that I would like to dedicate the award to them, and to give away the award, I would like to invite on stage Colonel Yadav and Soham Vij. Soham Vij is with Bajaj and he's a key member of SocioFair. I invite you to come up here on stage. छाव के बारे में हमने अभी जो सुना, जो देखा, वो वाकई एक ही साथ दिल को दुख पहुंचाती है, एक ही साथ दिल को सुकून देती है. That for such unfortunate moments of our life, there have been some people that have ensured that वो अकेले नहीं हैं. इस छाँव के लिए शुक्रिया आलोक दीक्षित सर, आपके इस मिशन के लिए शुक्रिया, सबके साथ, इन सबके साथ खड़े रहने के लिए शुक्रिया, और आज हमारे सोशियो फेयर के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके आपने हमारा मान बढ़ाया, इसके लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, huge round of applause, because we've indeed been able to, recognize, to put our hearts out to those who've made these huge impacts. I invite all the awardees to come up on stage. I also invite Dev sir to please come up on stage, Soham to please come up on stage, Sachin to please come up on stage. This is the moment, but let me tell you that we are doing this just so that we can enjoy the rest of the evening for the multiple things that are coming up. Nandini, wherever you are, Ritwik, wherever you are, please join us. Please join us. Nandini, Ritwik, please join us.
सोशियो फेयर तहे दिल से आप सबका बहुत 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 आभारी है. आप ना होते तो शायद बहुत कुछ नहीं होता समाज में.
हमारे देश में ज़रूरत है हर नौजवान को अब कहीं ना कहीं बीड़ा उठाए कि हाँ, अब हर कुछ हमको खुद करना है. समाज को सुधारना है तो हम किसी और की तरफ ना देखें, हम खुद करें. और ये यकीन मानिए, यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे हैं जो 70 साल, 75 साल और 50 साल, 60 साल, और इन सब ने काम शुरू किया जब वो अपने 20s में थे. ये बहुत मेरे को अच्छा लगा जब इनके साथ हमारा इंटरव्यू हो रहा था. ये सोशियो फेयर प्लेटफॉर्म है, सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि हम अपने रियल लाइफ हीरोज़ को सेलिब्रेट करें, इसलिए भी कि हम इनके काम से अपनी नई जनरेशन को प्रेरित करें और उनको ये बताएं कि तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी ये भी है कि तुम अपने करियर के साथ साथ तुम सोशल इम्पैक्ट भी क्रिएट करो. तुम कोई एक बीड़ा लो जिसको कि तुम सुधार सको और कोशिश करते रहो. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तुमको सफलता एक दिन में मिले, हो सकता है ये 2 दिन लगे, 10 दिन लगे, 10 साल लगे, पर तुम्हारी कोशिश जारी रहनी चाहिए. ये ज़रूरी है और सोशियो फेयर का विजन भी यही है. आज हम लोग अपना 4th एडिशन में हैं सोशियो फेयर के. पहला 3 एडिशन हमारा कोलकाता में हुआ. ये लगा कि शायद देश के एक कोने में है तो क्यों ना हम लोकल से ग्लोबल हों और ये विजन लेकर के हम दिल्ली आएँ ताकि हम और भी लोगों को जोड़ सकें। और आज बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हमारे पास 7 अलग स्टेट से लोग जुड़े हैं, सब साथ में खड़े हैं और साबरी हेल्पेज के साथ 300 से ज़्यादा संस्थाएं जुड़ी हुई हैं और हम मिल के काम कर रहे हैं और आज से नहीं बहुत वर्षों से, और अब आप भी हमारे परिवार के सदस्य हैं। उम्मीद है कि हम लोग मिल के एक बदलाव लाएंगे, जैसा आप कर रहे हैं हम भी आपके साथ जुड़ के कुछ कर सकें और अपने आने वाली पीढ़ी का कान पकड़ के इस काम में लाएं कि अब आना है, अब नहीं। ये फिर गया। अब सफलता सिर्फ ये नहीं कि तुम्हारे बैंक अकाउंट में कितना आ रहा है, अब सफलता ये भी होनी चाहिए कि तुमने अपने अगल बगल क्या सुधार किया। उम्मीद है आप सब भी इससे अग्री करेंगे। ऐसा है कि संस्कृति 21 साल की है और बहुत खुशी हुई कि ये बच्ची जब 16-17 साल की थी तब से इसने काम शुरू किया और अपने अगल बगल ही देख करके और पढ़ाई के साथ साथ इसने अपनी सोसाइटी में, अपनी कम्युनिटी में डेवलपमेंट के काम में लगी रही।
और आरती, 17 साल के उस युवक की बात करो जो 3 बच्चों को लेकर आया था घर पे अडॉप्ट करने के लिए।
एकदम अजीत सिंह जी, जो 17 साल की उम्र में भला कौन सोचता है, जिसको खुद को संभालने का होश नहीं, वो 3 बच्चियों को अडॉप्ट करके घर में लेकर आ गया बिना ये सोचे कि घर में माँ कान खींचेगी, ये भी नहीं सोचा। हमारे बीच एक ऐसे जर्नलिस्ट है जो गए थे इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए और उनके सामने एक ऐसी बच्ची आई,
माइक पे बोलो,
ये काम नहीं कर, अच्छा उनके सामने बच्ची आई जो एसिड अटैक सर्वाइवर थी और उनका इंटरव्यू लेते लेते इनको लगा कि अब हमको इसी में काम करना है और छोड़ दिया उन्होंने सब कुछ और लग गए इसी में काम। हो सकता है बहुत कठिनाई उनकी ज़िंदगी में आई होगी पर वो पीछे नहीं हटे। तो हमारे पास एक से एक ऐसे उदाहरण हैं। हमारे पास महेश जी हैं जो HIV पॉजिटिव बच्चों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और ये भी वही 20 साल की उम्र से अपने कॉलेज में थे, वो गए वहाँ इंजीनियरिंग के उसके कुछ इंटर्नशिप था शायद आपका, और वो वहाँ देखे कि 4 साल का बच्चा HIV पॉजिटिव है। ये इनको क्लिक किया कि नहीं अब हो गया, अब जो है हमको इसमें ही अपने करियर को। हमने इन सब से एक एक करके जब पूछा तो ये पता चला कि इनका कुछ और काम नहीं, सोशल वर्क ही इनका काम है।
आरती, पिता की भी दाद देनी पड़ेगी जिन्होंने अपने बेटे को कहा था कि अगर डॉक्टरी करनी है तो 2 रुपए से ज्यादा नहीं ले सकोगे, अगर पैसा कमाना है तो कुछ और कर लो। एकदम बुलाओ उनको भी आगे।
तो वो इनफैक्ट वो तो अब हमारे बीच रहे नहीं। नहीं वो तो डॉक्टर रमन किशोर की बात कर रहे हो, तो इनकी ये कहानी नहीं, वो हमारे दूसरे जो लास्ट ईयर हम चले गए केरला के वो डॉक्टर थे, ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर रमन किशोर जानते होंगे। सबकी एक कहानी, जैसे यहाँ हमारे बीच तरुण जी हैं, तरुण जी ने भी अजीब तरीके से, जहाँ पे औरतें झिझकती हैं मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन पे, सेक्सुअल प्रोटेक्शन पे बात करने का, ये बेहिचक जाके गांव में बात कर रहे हैं, ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ नैपकिन लेने भी बच्चियाँ दुकान पे नहीं जाती, लेकिन वो वहाँ जा करके सबको एडुकेट कर रहे हैं। तो ये है रियल लाइफ हीरोज।
पेड़ लगा रहे हैं, एक पैड के लिए एक पेड़ लगा रहे हैं।
और एक पैड, ये भी एक अपने आप में बड़ी बात है कि हर पैड, जो एक पैड आप यूज़ कर रहे हो 1 महीने में, उसके साथ आप एक पेड़ लगाओ। सो दैट जब ये बातें हुई कि यहाँ पैड की वजह से ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, ऑफ कोर्स ये सच भी है, कहीं ना कहीं 200-300 साल लग जाता है डिस्पोज होने में, बट इन्होंने शुरू कर दिया कि ठीक है चलो जब ये मुद्दा है तो ऐसा क्यों ना करें कि हम पेड़ भी लगाएं। तो बहुत सल्यूट टू ऑल ऑफ यू, सल्यूट टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
अब आप लोगों से नहीं की जिन्होंने कहा कि मैं विदेश नहीं जाऊंगा, उन्होंने
बेशक विदेश, और तब वो एकदम
84 में उन्होंने कहा कि मैं विदेश नहीं जाऊंगा क्योंकि फिर मेरे माँ बाप को मैं नहीं देख पाऊंगा,
कौन देखेगा, कौन देख, करेक्ट। और आज इनके पास कितने माँ बाप हैं? हजारों माँ बाप हैं, हजारों।
जिन लोगों ने अपने माँ बाप को छोड़ दिया रास्ते में, गिरधर, उन्होंने माँ बाप अडॉप्ट कर लिए,
एकदम
ये जब पॉडकास्ट में बात कर रहे थे तो हम लोग सब कैमरे के पीछे रो रहे थे।
एकदम। सो थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू यहाँ आने के लिए, हम लोगों के साथ जुड़ने के लिए। और सोशियो फेयर का मंच बस यही है कि आप और हम मिलके साथ में काम करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कुछ इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर सकें।
थैंक यू सो मच आरती, एज इंस्पायरिंग एज एवर। वो जब माइक ले लेती हैं और जब बोलना शुरू करती हैं तो एक्चुअली यू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर द पावर ऑफ सोशियो फेयर कम्स फ्रॉम। थैंक यू सो मच आरती, थैंक यू सो मच मोना दी।